Absara,
Yes.
I'm happy to see you. And the surprise is damn dangerous.
Yes, has to be dangerous.
You used both dangerous and thriller on me.
Yes. Absolutely. I wanted to surprise you with thrillingly dangerous today. So,
Thrillingly dangerous.
Yeah.
What a usage.
Yes.
Wow, fantastic. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
నేను చాలా బాగున్నాను, ఇంకా సర్ప్రైజ్లోనే ఉన్నాను, అదే మైండ్లో ఉన్నాను. ఓకే, అర్థమవుతుందా నేను మాట్లాడేది?
Yes, I can understand it.
ఏం అర్థమైంది?
That you are really surprised and aim ardham means kya samajh aaya. I know, I understand. So when people talk in Telugu around me, I can literally understand and they think I don't understand, but I do.
కాదు, when people talk Telugu around me, that gesture is very nice. Can you do once again when people talk Telugu
Yeah, I
around?
did something. I'm just like expressive, you know.
I heard that you want to direct a film.
When I'm done being an actress and when I fulfill my dreams being an actress, I want to be a director and I'm a director.
ఓకే, డైరెక్టర్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు ఆమె. ఈ విషయం నాకు ఇంతకు ముందు తెలుసు, కానీ అది నా మీదే ప్రయోగిస్తారు అని మాత్రం నాకు తెలియదు.
Thank you. Wow, I'm so overwhelmed.
Okay, so what about Dangerous? What are you doing in Dangerous? What's happening?
Why are you so excited about Dangerous? Now you tell me that first.
I don't know, when you come closer, I'm feeling excited.
Really excited?
Yeah,
Oh
exactly.
my God, you have to understand if you like girls or what is it?
నా మీద నాకు కొత్త డౌట్స్ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, ఏమో నాకు ఐఎమ్ స్టిల్ ఇన్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్
But
స్టేజ్.
I like women more than men.
వై?
Because women is a beautiful creation of God and I think women are more superior than men.
Okay.
That's why I like women more than men.
Have you enjoyed doing in that film, like when you're doing your romance with a girl?
Yeah.
And with intensity, with much intensity?
Yes. So I think romancing with a boy or a girl is same for me because I'm acting there. I'm not literally in love with the other person. They might be my friend, I really like them, but I'm not in love with them. So I think as an actor, it makes no difference if I have to flirt with a guy or a girl. For me, both is equal. It's my job and
You flirt with girl
no, on screen.
on screen. Okay, thank you. God bless me. Okay, how did you experience that change when RGV garu told you about that script and all? What's your response for that?
So I have had a lot of gay friends in my life because I did modeling before.
Acha, acha,
So
okay.
I know they are really good person and I know in society people don't accept them and they don't get equal reputation or equal I would say rights in the society. But they are made by God and we are also made by, I think we are all equal. And that's why I want to take a stand for them. And when I heard the script, I felt I'm so lucky that I'm able to do a film like this, which is definitely some people might not like it, but I really don't care about those people because if someone doesn't like for someone because of their sexuality and because of how God has made them, it is problem in their brains.
Okay, మీ బుర్రలు ముందు చెక్ చేసుకోండి అంటారా? Okay, fine. And in the whole film, how it will be carried on? Your character and your colleague, co-artist.
So I'm not supposed to reveal a lot about it because we are shooting that film now. And since I'm doing the interviews now, I have a break for some time.
Okay.
And then we are going to start shooting. And once I start shooting, I'll get to know. I'll give you an interview again about how my. But
Okay.
it's a very interesting story. There's a lot of women empowerment in that. Women are shown so strong. We know RGV sir wants all the women to be strongest. And
Okay, I thought he always shows women as glamour dolls, but
yeah,
he showed as a strong
see,
woman.
do you think a man can be as glamorous as women?
No,
No.
absolutely.
Yes. So I think he takes every quality of a woman as the advantage because see, if I can wear a slit dress like this, my legs are good, okay? For example, there's a guy, you would not want to see his legs, okay? So just an example, you would not want to see his legs. Uske legs mein kya rakha hai? But a girl's legs, a girl's beauty is different. So
Okay.
that is why I think it is important for a girl to be glamorous. And for me as an actor, I would say it is good.
ఓకే, చిన్న కరెక్షన్ ఏంటంటే అబ్బాయిల కాళ్ళు చూడాలనుకోవట్లేదు కానీ అబ్బాయిని చూడాలనుకుంటున్నాను, నాట్ గర్ల్స్. Your acting has amazing response in thriller, especially your skin show, your glamour and all. Those guys have fell in love with you.
You know what the shocking part is? So before the film release, everybody said she's so glamorous, and after the film release, everybody is talking about my performance, and I'm so happy. They're like forgetting about the glamour, and I have got like 90% of compliments for my acting, and this is like my debut in so many languages and debut in Hindi, and a lot of so many people have liked it. Like that was very shocking. Apart from glamour, my acting has got so much response. So it's very.
So, what's your opinion before you meet RGV and after you met him?
Before I met him, obviously I thought he's big, like he's a big director.
Yes.
He must be having this Me Too and casting couch and everything. Because I'm a normal girl. I don't belong to this industry, and what we see in media is these big directors, they have this problem. Okay, I know that. I heard that. And I had this misconception. I took a pepper spray to his office first time I met him, which he revealed. I would have never revealed it, but I told him after the shoot of Thriller. When I got to know him, he's such a good person. I'm like so lucky to be found by him, but I had a very wrong conception about him.
Pepper spray కూడా తీసుకెళ్లారంటే ఆర్జీవి గాని
But I'm
కలవడానికి.
guilty. I am so guilty of taking it in my pocket. But he's a very good human. He's a very honest, and I think he's a very good human. I want to be like him in my life.
Learn things in directing.
Yeah,
your
a little
films.
bit I learned when I was acting. I couldn't concentrate much, but I was trying to understand which angles we are taking, how the continuity of a character. I asked sir, I used to discuss with sir. So I'm interested in it, so I used to talk to sir about it.
Okay, so you asked RGV sir a selfie and he made you as a heroine. This is the talk. ఒక సెల్ఫీ అడిగితే హీరోయిన్ చేశారంట. అది ఎందుకు? అది ఈమెనే ఎందుకు చేయాలి? ఏ మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు ఎవరు సెల్ఫీలు అడగలేదా?
So I didn't have guts to ask for a selfie to him. After my stage performance, he praised my performance, and then I was like, "Chalo, itna tareef." He said, "Ankita, you are amazing, and your dancing, everything is amazing." So itni tareef hui hai, I can at least get a selfie and show off my friend that I met, Ram Gopal Verma and things. So I went. I was like, "Sir, can I have a selfie?" He's like, "No, you give me your number," and he took my number and he offered me a film. I'm like, "Wow, is it that easy? Just out of my dance and my expressions, I got a film." I didn't know, like, actually film industry people are good. I think the media is spoiling their name. Most of the media, we hear a lot of this thing.
Yeah.
So I had this in mind, but it is so different. It is so different.
Okay, don't you think like a buzz makes media to do viral those things? Like if you don't do anything, media won't concentrate on you. If you initiate something, and they will have full concentration on you.
Yeah.
And don't you think the people who initiates that should take responsibility why they are initiating like that?
No, I think who is a celebrity, they have their own life, they have their own choices. And for example, my pepper spray thing, if that goes viral, so that is something I did as a normal girl. And apart from that, I think media gives lot of attention to only people who are very good with their work. For example, RGV sir, he's very good with his work. He has proved himself and he's very famous. So media is interested. So not everybody can just get famous just like that. You need to work well. I think work only makes you famous. And after that, controversies are aaj ho gaya, kal khatam ho gaya. So I think that is not a big deal. I think you're in a little confusion. You need some coffee? I'll give you some.
Okay.
Wow, milk coffee. I've not had milk coffee since forever because I'm on diet, but I'll have this one.
What kind of coffee you used to
I
have?
only take black coffee with no sugar and no milk.
చాలా కష్టమైన పని పాపం.
Wow, this looks so tasty.
This looks so tasty.
But I'm on diet. Like I don't get to have milk. I love milk.
Oh, I too love milk actually. I drink milk every day. Milk is the secret of my energy. So actually I want to know your real life. What kind of girl Apsara or Ankita in real life is?
Okay, I'll show you about it. Come, let's go.